there at second story stage. As you can see, it's well underway. We're standing in what will be the sitting room. And if you look out through here, this is what will be the balcony, and it'll have a nice aspect out to the street. Over here is a stairwell, and over to my left here is the master suite as well. And behind that, there's a nice walk-in robe, dressing room, as well as an ensuite. As you can see, it is a timber frame construction, which means it is an on-site build. These do go up very quickly because all the walls are prefabricated. So when building second stories, it's quite important that it's seamless. It's got to blend, it's got to look like it's always been there. With this home, as well as maintaining the character features, we are giving it a bit of a modern twist. So we're making it a little bit more modern day for the everyday family, like the open plan living rather than compartmentalised living. A lot of little character features as you pick up as you walk through, things like the exposed rafters and the tuck pointed brickwork. So as the build progresses, you will notice that these things are sort of coming in.